Okay, we're recording.
Alrighty. So, good morning.
Oh.
Almost died. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Jmac Amateur Kitchen. Today, we are making spinach bacon hash brown breakfast cups. Cheers. All right, some Bloody Marys for the morning. Recipe in the description below. Check it out, y'all. Let's get this thing started. We're gonna preheat our oven. Oven view. We're gonna preheat our oven 475 degrees. All right, so we're gonna start off making the hash browns. Now, I just lazily bought some frozen hash browns, okay? We're gonna do 1.5 pounds because we're gonna make 9 of these, all right? So if you're making more or less, you do the math. 6, 1 pound. 12, 2 pounds. Boom, oh my God.
Then 9, how many pounds?
1.5, that's what we're starting with. Hello.
Sorry.
Pay attention.
I wasn't listening.
All right, each bag is 1 pound, so we're gonna use 1.5 bags. So we got 1.5 pounds hash browns, 1 egg. Ooh. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of butter, melted, Abby. 2 teaspoons of salt, yabba dabba doo, and a little bit of pepper. We're just gonna stir that up. Stir it up. Mixed up, let's grease our pan. Are you not entertained?
No.
Well, now you know how the viewers feel. Oh! So, we got a jumbo-sized muffin tin. These are jumbo-sized, that's what you want. Perfect, all right? Non-stick, key. Let's butter these up. Ooh, you gotta butter it. Okay, look at this. Just kind of blend, kind of wipe it, and then we just kind of Google it around.
Make sure
Google.
your hands are clean.
Ooh. All right, pan greased up. Let us put our mixture, this one. Let us put our mixture into the cups. Now, take a 1/2 cup, and that'll be about the right measurement for each.
Do you want me to?
1, 2. I don't know why I'm counting. There's 9. Now, we're gonna take these and we're just gonna push them down and to the sides. Down and to the side. Sips. All right, we got our little cups ready. Let's put them in the oven. Remember, 475 was the temp. We're gonna check back on those in about 15 minutes. Oops, I forgot to dice the bacon. We have to dice this. And you're like right on the drawer where the knife is. Awkward. All right, so we got our hash browns in the oven. We're gonna make the filling that goes inside. We got our pan going at like medium heat. We got 10 strips of bacon diced up into the pansy pan. Ba-dam, ba-dam.
The pansy pan?
It's a chef term for pan.
What chef?
Amateurs. So, we're making our filling. Okay, we got some bacon. You guys can use whatever you want. We're gonna put some spinach in here, but you guys can use like mushrooms, peppers, ham, sausage. I just like...
Don't like any of those
Yeah,
things.
I'm kind of picky, you know? You know what would be good? Sausage, spinach, and feta.
That would be good.
Damn. You know what? We should redo this video. Ooh, you know what else would be good? Chorizo.
If you have said it any whiter. Chorizo.
I didn't.
Chorizo.
Chorizo.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna stir this up. While the bacon's cooking, we're gonna add 2 cloves of minced garlic, spinach.
Shouldn't you wash that?
That seems like a lot of work.
That's a lot of spinach.
Hey, you don't know me.
I don't like that much.
Well, you should have said something.
I did.
Before I started flicking leaves in. Yummy.
All I see is spinach.
It's really gonna wilt down though.
I hope so, because
It
that's
really will.
gross.
Look at that pan view. Oh, wow. That's like, nobody else on YouTube has pan views like that.
You messed
Let's
up.
be honest with the 3 viewers, all right? Maybe cook the bacon a little bit longer before you start putting shit in there, all right? Stuff. No swearing. I corrected it. All right, 15 minutes. Let's take these bad boys out. Look at the tops, like kind of crisping up there. Ooh, this is gonna be nice. Ha, got him.
You know, that's like half of the shit isn't gonna go in the video.
Oh yeah? Well, that means half of that shit is gonna go in the video. Boom! Basic math. Got our filling done. Turn that off. I'm gonna bring it over there. Nice. Wow. How did you know I was going over here? Let's fill these things.
How much, a spoon?
You know what? We're just gonna kind of spread it out and kind of see, you know? Bacon. All right, so we got our filling in there. We're just gonna grate up some cheese here. Grate? No, shred. We're gonna shred some cheese quick.
You have the lid on
Yep,
there.
lid's in there. There. Oh! Some more shredded cheese. Kind of put that, layer that on the top.
But not
Okay.
to cover the full.
Just to kind of, we're gonna create basically like a cheesy barrier with what we're gonna put our egg on top of after. We're using a Kobe, but you can use a mozzarella. You can use a provolone.
Ew! I don't want to use any of that.
Now, we're gonna take our burning hot pan and we're gonna put it back in the oven. Let's do it for like 5 minutes. Let's get that cheese melted, okay? Get in here. Get in
I
here.
can see you
Get
from
in here,
here.
babe. No,
Ugh.
no, not good enough. All right, in the oven. Ooh, look at that cheese melty cheese action. Now, we're taking 9 eggs. We're gonna put them right over top, okay? One at a time. Boop. Eggs on top. Now, we're gonna put it back in for another 8 minutes. We're gonna try to get those whites cooked, but we still want the yellows runny. We're gonna check back in 8 minutes. All right, let's take them out.
Nice.
We're in there for about 8 minutes. You guys can do longer if you want the yolks to set a little bit more. We like runny yolks here. We like runny yolks?
No, I don't.
All right, we love them. Kind of use a little butter knife here, kind of go all the way around. Alrighty, and then we just
Woo.
left.
Do you need to let them cool or no? Just pop them out right out.
I'm gonna pop these little suckers out. Alrighty.
Perfect.
Finish that off with a little bit of salt, okay? And a little bit of pepper. Optional. You can add sriracha to the top. We're gonna do it. Boom. And that is our little breakfast cups.
Wouldn't it be those? These are our little breakfast cups?
And that is our little breakfast cups.
These.
And these are our little breakfast cups. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this, subscribe here. Throw a like on there, comment.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.